I'm back and it's burning. Speaking of hot weather, it's that time of the year to make some outdoor furniture. So that's what I'm gonna do this week. So join me. Let me talk to you about that. Currently in my shop, it is extremely hot. I'm sweating and it's not fun. So I figured I would just come outside, talk a little bit, and then go back. So, like I said, patio furniture, that's the plan. Now the materials that I was thinking is either I can go with cedar, outdoor, these type of like soft woods, but I have IPE hardwood decking. Look it up, heavy as heck, but I'm gonna use it because I think it'll look really good. That's all I pretty much have to say. Did I mention it's really hot? Now that I'm all sweaty and nasty, I thought I would talk. So, if I didn't mention, I'm obviously doing 2 chairs. I'm gonna do like just batching. So my board is 5.5. I'm gonna plan on ripping them, cutting them in half, and then using 2 pieces. Very dense hardwood, sucks to work with, but looks really nice. Anyways, anywho, getting started. And I'm gonna use this. This is called a little ripper. Basically, goes like that. Zip, zip. Just watch me. Oh boy, as you can tell, it's hot. So, I did all the cutting, all the ripping. I think what I want to do is route all the edges, just do a nice little clean, small round over. I think it'll be cuter, and then it'll kind of like avoid all the splinters. Hey, it's a new day, not as hot, but still awfully warm, as you can see on the sweat on my face. I did some test pieces. I'm making 2 chairs, obviously. Did all the like mistakes, so when I actually do the assembly, one will always be better than the other. That's just how things roll. Because we're always getting better, you know, like my slogan, being better than good. Finished. You might be wondering, what am I doing? Actually, end grain sealants for tropical hardwood. It's required because I don't know, just is. Stop asking questions. Thanks for joining along on this build. IPE is definitely not easy to work with, but happy with the outcome of the hardwood. It just looks really great, and it's only appropriate for the patio furniture. Very resilient and strong. I was thinking 2 chairs are nice, but it just doesn't look complete. So stick to next week's episode as I complete the set with the little table. So thanks for watching, and until next time, be BeeNeh. Cheers. Get this one thing clear. It's time to make it's time to make some patio furniture.